Hey, welcome back. I'm very glad that you made this far. And let me remind you that in the previous tutorial we created these two accounts using the application. And in this tutorial we will be using the login function to log into the app using the account we created. So let's start. So let's go to the login activity and let's see what we have got here. We need to get these two email address and password values and then add the click listener to this login button. We also need to provide this sign up. I think we already added that. Just leave that. We're just going for these three things. Okay, so let's start. Inside the login activity we need to edit text MET email for email and MET password for password, and we need an instance of text view that is acting as button and text view log. Import that. Let's initialize them here. So MET email is equal to find view by id or dot id dot edit text sign in email. Duplicate it and email password that after initializing we need to add an on-click listener to this text view. So let's create an login.set on-click listener, new on-click listener. Inside this on-click listener we need to get email and password from the user. So string and edit text, sorry, email is equal to edit text email dot get Now we need to check if both are not null. So if email dot is empty and pass dot is empty. If these are empty, if these are not empty, then we can go ahead. If these are empty, then we need to tell the user that please enter values. If these are not null, then we need to perform the login. So let's create a login Firebase Auth instance. Initialize this instance. And here we need to call the function and Firebase Auth dot sign in with email and password, and provide the email as first argument and password as second argument. So email, password, and the last thing we need to do is add some callback function. So we need to add on complete callback function, and inside this on complete callback function we need to check if the task was successful or not. If successful, then it means that the user is successfully logged in and there was nothing wrong with the process. So we need to start the main activity. So just add a comment, sign in complete, start activity, new intent from login activity dot this to main activity dot class, and just finish this activity. And if it was not successful, then we need to inform the user with the post message. Now add another callback function here. Dot add on failure listener, new on failure listener, and here we need to create a toast message and provide the error with get localized message, and this toast message will be shown when something went wrong with the localized message that we received from Firebase. And last we need to add on cancelled listener. Here we just need to add cancelled. That's it. So let's run the app. So we already have an account with wakas@wakas1.com, and the password will be 12345667. So let's log in and see what. Okay, it is looking very cool and satisfying. It logged the user in, but the last thing remaining is we need to get the email address and put it here. So thanks for watching. In the next tutorial we will be going to do that. Thank you.